Hey, what's up guys? I want to make a video today sharing with you 3 niches that I found that are selling well on Merch by Amazon. 2 are trending. 1 is an evergreen niche that is low in competition. But before I share with you those 3 niches, I just want to share with you my 3 print-on-demand courses that I'm selling on Gumroad. So the first one is a Merch by Amazon Masterclass. It's a step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering merch. It's only $9.99. I'm running an end of the month sale. And you get 16 lessons and it's over an hour of content. I also have one for Redbubble as well. Also a step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering Redbubble. Same thing, $9.99. This one you get 20 lessons over an hour of content. And then I just added this one on Etsy. Everything you need to know to set up your shop for success. Also $9.99, you get 14 lessons and it's 35 minutes of content. If we take a look at my credentials on Merch by Amazon, we're going to see, well, I'm a tier 8,000 seller, but we can see that I have over 11,000 sales, $38,000 in royalties. If we take a look at Redbubble, over the past 12 months, I've done over $2,000. And if we look at my stats on Etsy, my all-time stats, you can see here, I've done over 6,000 orders and $185,000 in revenue. So if you're interested in those courses, the links will be in the description, and I'll also have them as a pinned comment. Okay, now let's get into the content of this video. So the first niche that I have for you is another St. Patrick's niche. And I actually think I found this on Redbubble. And the niche is Nurses Love Shenanigans. If we look at the competition, there's only 118 results. This is what some of the designs look like. So this is cross-niching nurse with St. Patrick's Day. We're going to see, this one has 102 BSRs, 500. These are going to get a lot lower as we get closer to St. Patrick's Day. But a lot of people are using the gnomes, which is one option. If you want to kind of differentiate yourself, one way that you can, design for this is to not just do a nurse loves shenanigans, but you can niche down in the nurse niche, and you can find like more specific types of nurses. So there's a whole bunch of types of nurses. There's like registered nurses, there's emergency room nurses, NICU nurses, PICU nurses, travel nurses. What you can do is you can just go to Google, and I just did basically just a basic Google search, just typing in the types of nurses that there are, and here you're going to see you get this whole list. And so what you can do, like you can do something like if we go back here, we can go, school nurses love shenanigans, travel nurses love shenanigans. So you can kind of niche down that way. That's going to make you even lower in competition. If we take a look on tests to see if this is trademarked, nurses love shenanigans, hit enter, we will see that nothing pops up. And if we take a look at some of the competition on the other print-on-demand platforms, nurses love shenanigans shirt, we're going to see that there's only 929 results. If we go to Redbubble, again, this is where I found the trending niche. So when it has a little arrow going up like that, that means it's trending. In my Redbubble course, I teach you stuff like this. And we'll see that 448 results, so very low in competition, especially for Redbubble. And TeePublic doesn't show us the number of results, but here we can get kind of an idea of what the designs look like. If you go to Creative Fabrica, and if you just type in Nurses Love Shenanigans, they actually have designs that you can just download and upload onto print-on-demand platforms. Now, you do have to understand the licensing. So like if we go to this one right here, this one you can upload just as is because it says commercial and full POD usage allowed. If it just says like this one, commercial use is allowed, you're not allowed to upload it just as is. You have to take something out, put something in, add some type of element, change the color, do something. When it just says commercial use is allowed, you can't just upload it as is. It has to say, if you want to upload it just as is, it has to say commercial and full POD use is allowed. But here you can see this is a pretty good one right here. So if you're interested in Creative Fabrica, I have an affiliate link in my description for my videos. So right here where it says my favorite POD tools, there's going to be an affiliate link. You can sign up to Creative Fabrica. I think they have a deal for $59 for the year, breaks down only $4.99 a month. And you get access to all of their designs and clip art for a whole year. So if you're interested, check that out. Okay, so the second niche that I have for you is Everyone Loves an Irish Girl. This is another St. Patrick's niche. St. Patrick's Day niche. Here we're going to see only 160 results. this is what the designs look like right here. We're going to see really good BSRs for a low competition niche. One of the ways that you can, there are a couple ways that you can design for this, because I don't think I saw any, since this is going to be for girls. Maybe you can add in a boho rainbow, that's a St. Patrick's boho rainbow, or maybe you could use like, a St. Patrick's messy bun type graphic, and then just add in the text underneath. If we go to test to see if this is trademarked, everyone loves an Irish girl, hit enter, nothing pops up. Competition on the other websites are low. Etsy only 828. Redbubble, this is also trending on Redbubble. So again, we're going to see the little arrow. Also low, 506 results. That's really good. And this is what the designs look like on TeePublic. If we go to Creative Fabrica, we're going to see there's actually designs that you can use. Now, again, you have to check the licensing. So just make sure that it says full commercial use and POD use. Looks like you get some pretty good ones like right here, right here. So that's going to be the second niche. And then the third niche that I have for you is actually a low competition evergreen niche, and that niche is K-drama. And you might be wondering, what the heck is K-drama? I didn't know what it was either. If we do a quick Google search, we are going to see it stands for Korean drama. So this is for people that like to watch these Korean drama films on Netflix, basically. And if we go back to Amazon, we will see that, there's low competition, only 504 results for this niche, because probably not too many people know about it. But if we look at these BSRs, we're going to see this niche is selling 304, 627. So the top row, all four are under 1 million. This is what some of the designs look like. Now, you do have to check these for trademarks, because I didn't do that. But like, Korean dramas are my therapy. This is my K-drama watching shirt. I think I also saw like Eat, Sleep, K-drama, Repeat. A lot of the ones that I saw was this design right here where it says, I pause my K-drama to be here. So this is where you're cross-niching that video game phrase with K-drama. I also saw a lot of this like snapping finger with the heart, so I'm not too sure what that is. But again, we're going to see, this niche is low in competition and selling. Again, double check for trademarks. We're going to see the same one. This is my K-drama watch shirt. Don't do stuff like this. We're using the friends text. I can get you in trouble. But if we go to Etsy to check out the competition on these other sites, a little higher than the St. Patrick's ones I was showing you, but still 2,000 is very low for Etsy. Redbubble, what do we got here? Okay, so a lot higher on Redbubble, so it might not be the best, or might be a little harder to get noticed on Redbubble. We're going to see 15,000 results. And if we go to TeePublic, we'll see what some of the designs look like. If we go to Creative Fabrica, now there wasn't a whole bunch of options on Creative Fabrica. There's this one right here, so that might be good. Again, check the licensing. Here's that little snapping finger with the heart, so maybe you could use this and just add some text on the top or the bottom. Maybe change the color of the heart to pink or red or something like that. That's going to be the third niche that I have for you. Really low in competition and selling. And I mean, just like me, I had no idea what this niche was. So those are going to be the three niches for today. I hope you liked them. If you like this kind of content, you might want to consider subscribing to my channel. I put out videos on a regular basis, just talking about like trending niches, evergreen niches, niches that are low in competition, that are getting sales, things like that. If we go to my YouTube channel, I have some other videos that you might be interested on, some other niche or t-shirt design ideas for all print-on-demand platforms to hopefully get you some sales. And if you're struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon, Redbubble, or Etsy, you might want to check out my courses. They're only $9.99 for the end of the month. All right, so that's going to be it for today. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.